Hey family and frenzies, we are in here, we are packing. Me and Noonie, we are getting our rooms together. She didn't know I was gonna put her on camera, y'all. Yup, here she is. Say hey.
Hi.
We are packing right now. Well, we're just cleaning up mess, y'all. Our house is a complete mess. As you can see, look, we got things like everywhere. The house is a wreck. Guys, look at my closet. Look at that, y'all. It's crazy. But yeah, we are trying to get some things in order because y'all, I'm not trying to be here at the last minute. Y'all, excuse my hair. I didn't even do anything to my hair today. My hair is not done. So y'all just gotta excuse me. I'm in work mode, clean mode. A little bit overwhelmed, y'all. There's a lot of things in this house, but we're gonna get it done. And I'm trying to make a nice little dent in everything we have to do today. So I am actually emptying out the drawers in our bedroom, the little nightstand drawers, like the little short drawers over here, right over there. They are already empty. And there's a bunch of stuff over there in Sean's corner that he's gonna get because he's gonna get that. But yeah, I'm just emptying out the drawers. I do have a couple of people coming out today to look at this bedroom set because we're not bringing this bedroom set with us. We have a new bedroom set. So we have a couple of people coming to the house to look at it today. Hopefully they'll take it. I was trying to sell it as a 6-piece set, but it looks like there are some people who just don't need all 6 pieces. So even if I have to sell, the dresser separately from the chest dresser, that's fine. As long as I get it out of here, y'all. I'm just trying to get this stuff out of here. Like everything that we don't need right now, that we know we're not taking, we're trying to just trash it so that we can get a better eye of everything that we need to do in this house. We're also selling a washer and dryer. We have someone else coming to look at that today. I have a cousin who's picking up a sofa bed that's downstairs in our basement. She's gonna come and get that next week. So slowly but surely, we're making some progress, y'all. Slowly but surely. But yeah, I want to come on here and say hey to y'all. I'll be back a little later after we finish getting some of this garbage out of this house, y'all. Look, got a lot of work to do. Be back. Alright guys, so we are making some progress. We just got finished throwing out some more trash. Guys, look at this. Look at all this trash, y'all. OMG, all this trash. I can't that we even let our garbage accumulate like that in a house. And it's it's not like food garbage. It's like a lot of things that we just did not need. A lot of things, and there's still some things that we have to get rid of. But I feel good now that it's out of the house. That's not all. We still have work to do. But I feel good that, I can feel like we're making some sort of progress in the house. But while we were cleaning it up, I had to order a quick Instacart because I just do not have time to go to the grocery store. And there were a few things that we needed. So I'm going to do a quick mini grocery haul for you guys so I can show you guys what we got. Right? Give me a second. Okay, y'all, so I ordered a quick Instacart for us. Just a little mini grocery haul because we're trying to pretty much eat up all the food in the house so that we don't have many so we didn't have much food left over when it comes time for us to move. So this right here is just quick things that we needed right now. This is nothing that's going to go to waste. So I just wanted to show you guys what I ordered. And we're going to get back to work. So I got a loaf of bread. This is just regular white bread. And I got a loaf of the butter bread. I want to use this for French toast. I have a loaf of cinnamon raisin bread. I also have 4 bakery rolls here. I did get some cold cut ham, and so we can make some ham and cheese sandwiches. I also got the ham and cheese croissant sandwiches by Jimmy Dean. Right back here, I got a half a gallon of milk, a Simply lemonade, and a gallon of orange juice. We got a box of the frozen White Castle sliders. And right here, I got a bag of the chicken breast patties. Over here I did get some Eggo blueberry waffles, and we have some Eggo pancakes here, and also some garlic toast. I am making spaghetti today. So I already have ground beef, but I did want to add this to my ground beef as well because I love Italian sausage in my spaghetti as well. All right, so back here we also got a pack of paper plates. I got some Dawn Power Wash. This is the Hillshire honey ham that I got for our cold cut sandwiches. And then down here, I got some mozzarella sticks. I got some thin spaghetti for our dinner tonight. I had to get some more laundry detergent because we have a lot of things to wash. We got some garlic powder here, and we got some onion powder. We were out of both of those things. I got some ragu tomato sauce. I'm a ragu fan, y'all. I don't really care too much for Francesco Rinaldi or what is it, Bertoli's or whatever you call it. Ragu is pretty much my favorite. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I like it because I don't use the sauce straight out of the jar anyway. I always add to my sauce, and one key ingredient that I add to my spaghetti sauce is sugar. I don't add it to the point where it's tasting like candy, of course, but I need a little bit of sugar in my sauce. I like my tomato sauce on the sweeter side. And then we have a dozen of eggs back there. That's our little mini grocery haul, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna put these things up and I'm gonna get back to work. Hey guys, it's actually the next day. I spent the rest of the evening last night just trying to pack as much as I can, and today what we're doing is we're cleaning out our kitchen cabinets, and we're getting rid of all of the old expired foods. I never realized how much food I had. There was some things that just went bad, things that I totally forgot about, things that was on the top shelf. Yeah, so I had to throw away quite a bit, but yeah, this is pretty much what we're looking for. I'm just going through these things right here, and I emptied out these cabinets so far, and also this is our little cubby where we kept food as well. This is totally empty, and we already cleaned off the shelving in here. And so I'm just going to continue going through everything else that we have. And the main thing I want to do right now is look at what we have and plan meals out of them, because we're not doing any more big grocery shopping. Of course, if we do any type of grocery shopping, it's just going to be probably like things that we need right then and there, like milk, eggs, cheese, bread, you know, quick stuff. And if we plan like a meal for a day or whatever, we'll just go and get the ingredients for that one specific meal and cook it, because I don't want to have a lot of food that's accumulating here in the house. And most importantly, I don't want to be transporting a lot of food with us while we're moving. So the main things I know that we are going to be bringing is like my seasonings, of course. Let me show you my seasoning cabinet. Okay, so this is all of our seasonings, and I already went through this cabinet, I want to say probably about a month ago, and threw out everything that we don't need. But this is pretty much all the seasonings. This is pretty much what we use. The OCD in me, guys, I like the labels turned around to the front so I can see exactly what we have, and I don't want anything behind one another because I'm short and I can't see back there. So I kept everything to the front so that I can clearly see it. This is pretty much all of our seasonings that we have up here, which is quite a bit, right, y'all? Quite a bit of seasonings. And also just over here is a few more seasonings that we have up there. A little bit of everything, y'all. But I started clearing it out, as you can see. This is another cabinet that we have to clear out, but this is more seasoning and like my cooking spray, cornstarch, extracts, things like that. Yeah, oregano, my Worcestershire sauce, my Wandra. Yeah, Gravy Master, honey. Yeah, that's pretty much what is this? This is some Sesson. So yeah, y'all, we getting it together. Yeah, so we getting it together. I just wanted to show y'all what's happening today. I'm probably gonna end this video right here, and I'll get back with y'all as soon as we make a little bit more progress. But I just wanted you guys to see exactly what it is that we're doing, how we're getting our packing done, how I'm trying to stay organized, and yeah. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go right now, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, y'all. See you soon. See you next time. Bye.